Congratulations my dear students, you just complete this course. Hopefully you learn a lot about video editing with the powerful Vegas Pro 15 video editing software. Now it is your turn. Capture any video footage with your mobile or camera and then simply import all of your footage in Vegas Pro 15 and then follow our course lectures and do practice along with these videos. If you have faced any type of problem during editing, then feel free to ask any questions to me. Simply open your browser and then go to the complete video editing masterclass with Vegas Pro 15 and then navigate to the Q&A tab. Then search for a question to post a new question. Simply hit on ask a new question. And then simply put your question title and describe your problem here. And finally hit on post question. I will answer all of your questions, so don't worry about that. So what is your task now? Just follow these course lectures and then do practice. I am always here to help you. Good luck and bye bye.